Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel te kon kaleran banali. Lereme shalat shalat nene whereabout of key minister unknown in Western Equatoria. Take a key minister ki kwar SPLM IO tidit tila minister re wika Western Equatoria wa kwajka gwas en shaka nangtin ditch kirma yadit ki SSPDF ajele dan balin gwasame ko na me wa diyartin ne tin wan long ka kwide ko kwai ka gwada dan cha nangtin ken minister tin te pin Dr. Yang Macha tin durgon ka ngode tele millet SPLM IO ja ban racha me ban jalin kel ka do badan cha janon ka ja an wala shen ka jandang rawi de dies ka pairo ron kina dangro wit jandangro wit dies an wala chete ka ro ain tin wan long to cha non ka tin kon alat ko rodian ban raji me ban ja kwen kel kanu re ler kana me mi jira ma jedit donga jan changa nyam ko ji gor jan o jendir chonkel kanwar online TV channel there is subscribe kede notification bell there je twan kede ya comment kede je nyana asun ko kien ban lero ban je chule ngwa ko do bran cheben keja ba je kweni yeka thoknath kenyam ko kor be nyokum waje kweni yeka thok english ko do bran cha gor keja kwar SPLM IO tidit tila ministry re which ka Western Equatoria kwarti take pin Dr. Machaten shala do na kwaj ka gwas en cha kanangtin kuma kirma yadit ala de ne SSPDF kan de ne kirma yadit to shikanwa shikan kwarto shikan kinap ke shikan ka nang ka bom ka kwai ka gwada dana shikan nangtin kare ga me to go ne ga shanka wel ka paira ron kina dangara wuri jan dangara wuri dich ka Western Equatoria jandan bu kon lingana me ka roja dana shalat ne de kontila ji SPLM IO kan shi manaken ka do dana dier kan ka jam no gwada me shalat do ne na authorities kini de konin te ka lwang rewi ka Western Equatoria state tila ji SPLM IO shikana confirm ke jigana ngaja gwano enwo ka shang wel ka fayro ron kin dangro wide jan dangro wide dich ne kien chaga kep kuma kirma yadit ne tilaji SPLM IO ki chaga laslet ka kwiji SPLM IO ka Western Equatoria state chikana ngaja no ne kien kwai ka gwada dana chaga nangtin ko kan waka ne di shaki naft ne de kontin tiping president Salva Kiir yadit gwada dana shi kirma yadi ce general Alfred Futuyo karaba ce je wuch ka governor ka yambio ko jarame dane la kuar ka jan ran SPLM IO ano ko ran SPLM IO shenge dane joy ke je ki mi woy ke je me lat kiren ka television en go shi Alfred Futuyo ce je kapchong ka Western Equatoria la kuar ki governor an gwada mo shu de na SSPDF ka order mijen ka kuar ne kirma yadit shu kan ne kontila ministry shu kan ga kap ka shu kan wuko bu kan ru shala fit Futuyo bu kan onna gre dware ki bu kan ka van gwad mo shu kor mo shu tok shu kan Alfred Futuyo kan ju joy dor gwad mi shu wo kan ne kontin la ne ka la SPLM IO tit dor tin la dine ko jana wa jen bo ramkel me te ka command ke de ki me la dine ki bo dine ne gwad da ne kan ko nya la governor ka yambio ari ga dana ci to ka jan shan ka wal ka pairo mo me ci president kim yadit she ngotto bano en futu ya kap ko ci on kana cordial ko kien re wi ka so Sudan ka gwade dana shirye mo me ci to ga je ci ala no jan she ngode ko de cha yan pin ka ron kin dang rawir wal badak men shal ke revitalized peace agreement wa ci ala do jan she je yarana mo jan tugde ka yare ko mo wo je general futu yo ka spell mayo ka kana ji SPLM IO kana ka lalar ke kana ka consulted ka dob dana wuje je ka je ki mandare je wuj wana mo jen che dur che jalat no nyogan gwade dane wuje general Futuyo ko shi ne ka chikan chujian lo wa je SPLM IO wa ka kabre wi ka yambio wa chu na chu yo pot chu futuyo choro cho bar official ko kere dor ken ko kor che tuong ne dware futuyo jen kwa danen chi kor yo to ko te meeting wan lung ti ken ga gwal la ji security ka SSPDF tin wo gar makaf Canadian konti la ji ko ara fonde futuyo ala ne de kona ganga je ari ga mo shore lat ka gwade dan chu kondi ala ngaje no che to ko nono eneme entema mulat kono me ta danen chirega me chore lat ke je la man lero nan tam rai kona la take minister to dit rai kum ka kirma ya dit sorry rai kum ka SPLM IO ti cha kap chong ke kwai ka gwada dana cha nang tin kum kirma ya dit ka taye dana cha ka kep ka je ana mo chalo ne ta ngwan lung che je yar ko ta dana ni ya dit ne to cha ko ke je gwada me man gor kona bana ling ta danan shi kirm yadi ce ne da kontila jes fere mayu shaka kinaf ke shaka kep ko je kwai ka gwal danan tekatin ana me ce dwal mudi no kanetin kontin la kwar SPLM IO tintere which ka weji mi ka yambio you know chala do ne several SPLM IO official ka jen western equatorial state chaka ga ke chineken chikarian bar you know wani din koni ko ko gwada danan tegatin wa inere bagda jen bagda saya ko gwada danan tetin wa commissioner of Nagro County mishi sha report ne no dore wa chaja wan ko gwada danan tetin you know ken several key members to bombom re kuma ka dakre ma chata inti wa ko gwada danan chiren batin ke ko gwada danan chikuma kan nakten alanetin konte wa shi chananga kuma kia kwa gwada dan tikitin wa Ilya Dominic Husseini wa kwa gwada dan titin rami sha kidnap SSPDF ala kuma kirma yadit kwa gwada dan titin kwa menta makana nyo report kan ne kwa la jikume muko te ka duliyan mandit ke gwada dan kwaja Minister of Information and Communication chaja Keba Maurice Banzia Minister of Finance Isaac Murcell, Minister of Public Service, and Ninir Bagda Asaya, Commissioner of Negro County. Can you tell you what the contact them? Missing individual, Tilaji SPLM IO, Tichukuma Kirmi Yadit Kakap, Kaka, what the contact them. Me and Guina, Mutuogo. Can a queen location down ticketing? Shing Mushalke Bingo Elizabeth, General Deputy Acting Chairperson, SPLM IO. Ramani Amela SPLM IO Secretary General Jen Chale Mayor Osman. Mayor Osman Rewike Kwesri Equatorial State Kojen SPLM IO Secretary and Mayor Osman Jen Lado ne ko de ti chiga bat ko gwada dan tik tan chu manatama. Bingo Elizabeth is a Jen Deputy Acting Chairperson ba in Western Equatorial. Jen chairman na chora to menchi to chela no Jen Eric Wonkan gamre Karodian. Allah jene bonda kwaji threat long anere kontila SSPDF lo gorka jeno yan ka ki de dong de ran nang mi right SSPDF mi lok jene kon we do not feel secure ka Western Equatorial State kon ne siang la ne threat gorgo dong de ne nak en yen ngoda kuma men kunel te pinde dak yang ma chate ngoda tel malara ki che right ka manan le rore ka jeno kirma yadit le tungwan long ne siang yere SPLM IO pen jo der won nyam ke do badana dong de la de galat ke je ana me nyu do wodi nyu de jeno shikir ma yadit chamote ko de cha yan pen chaka tul no mo mo jo jatama ban je linga na me ka tok English ka do badana cha non ka je authorities in Western Equatorial State Yambio have confirmed that 3 state ministers and a county commissioner have been missing since 10 February 2025, raising concern about their whereabouts. The disappearance of the officials who were appointed by the opposition SPLM IO, Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, follow President Salva Kiir's decision to dismiss General Alfred Futuyo Karaba from governorship. The SPLM IO is appointed governor of Western Equatorial State. On 10 February, President Kiir Mayardit issued a series of decrees unilaterally removing several senior government officials appointed under the term of the 2018 peace agreement. Shortly after the decision, General Futuyo, resident in the state capital of Yambio, was reportedly attacked by elements linked to the South Sudan People Defense Force, which is SSPDF force, forcing him to flee. In the wake of the incident, several SPLM IO officials in the state went into hiding, citing fear for their safety. Among them is Inere Bagda Asaya, the commissioner of Nagro County, who reported that his house had been attacked. Mayor Osman, the SPLM-IO Secretary General in Western Equatorial State, said that the whereabouts of the missing official remain unknown. The missing individuals include Elia Dominic Usini, Minister of Information and Communication; Maurice Bazia, Minister of Finance; Isaac Morsal, Minister of Public Service; and Inere Bagda Asaya, Commissioner of Negro County. We do not know their exact location since the governor was relieved, Osman said. Bingo Elizabeth, the deputy acting chairperson of the SPLM IO in Western Equatorial State, expressed concern over increasing threat and intimidation against party members, SPLM IO party members. We do not feel secure in Western Equatorial State due to ongoing intimidation and threatening remarks. As a key signatories to the peace agreement, we expect full protection and respect for the accord, Elizabeth said that. She called on the state leader to promote peaceful coexistence among all ethnic groups, urging I ask in the name of our ancestors that you advocate for peace, ensure security, and foster unity among all tribes in Western Equatoria. Meanwhile, acting Governor Daniel Bagdagbu Rimbasa thought to reassure the public, stating that the state governor has no issue with the missing official and urging them to return to work. The governor was appointed for the entire state, not just one political party. His removal by the president does not mean the collapse of the government, Rimbasa said. I have spoken to him and I want to assure SPLM leader that they should resume their duty without fear. The peace agreement remains in fact, and we are committed to its implementation. He also called on the SPLM to expedite the appointment of a new governor, stressing that the political transition should not disrupt government operation. I have told the SPLM minister that there is no reason for them to stay away. The political relationship between parties remain intact. The process of appointing a new governor is in the hands of SPLM leadership, and they must take responsibility for filling the position it added. La position it and Alfred Futuya charge within ngoda wa dung kum SPLM ka kitaram chikan na kwany dung ajena kwen me shang no ke pan ji Western Equatorial State shol kano the governorship de ja kam kuma kirma yadit ichi kana swear my gor mishab jigano wuda me man la acting governor tama la deputy chairman deputy governor me kan Alfred Futuyo ne jen ko tama jan la acting governor wa jen jiram dana jungna dan wo we wichar la jen wo shine gorno ba Australia mayo ba ja kam kweren nyam re wi ka yambio neme jero jedana chala neme jen le dana gode nywa yekel ala nate konti la lada Australia mayo ngoda kwai ka gwalda dana tikitin ne dang jokka gwi je en go ka custody under the president Salva Kiir Mayardit authority. So jana mo gode nywa yekel ni biata mal ban jimdo din bye bye.